Hi guys, it's me again, Aaliyah Storm, and I am back in the building, coming in just to talk to you guys today about some wonderful products. I know you've heard the wave, so let's talk about it. So here, what I have is some supplements that I have been taking. Yes, they're from Total Life Changes. I have been taking these supplements since last September and really have made them a part of my life and diet. That's how I've been able to keep up with the body as well as with my health as well. So coming in, let's discuss a few things about the products. So the most important product that they have, the best one they have, their top seller, is the NutriBurst. Okay, NutriBurst is a multivitamin. It is a liquid multivitamin. With it being a liquid multivitamin, what happens is your body can absorb 98% of the vitamins. So for example, normally when we take pills, your body has to go through a process about 30 minutes to break the pills down. So normally what happens once it has been broken down is moving to your cells, okay? Then as it moves throughout the body, you usually don't get the absorbing of the vitamins like what you need because the body has done so much work to break down the pills. So for example, I've taken a few supplements or vitamins, and then when I go to the bathroom, let's say an hour or 30 minutes later, my pee may be highlight or yellow, and it comes from the vitamins. So pretty much I peed off and did not finish absorbing within my body those vitamins. Okay, so with the vitamin, this one NutriBurst being a liquid vitamin, your body has a 98% absorption rate, so it can absorb it because it's already done the work for it. It's already in liquid form, so it can make it to your cells. This NutriBurst essentially is equivalent to eating 10 salads. Now, I eat at least 3 salads a week. Right now, I'm fasting. I'm not eating any meat. I know we got Ramadan going on. Got a lot of things spiritual going on right now. So, are you taking your NutriBurst? Question. Okay, because this is what you need to start your day every day. This is what has guided me through my fast. If I take it every morning, as well as if I need it throughout the day, I can take my NutriBurst. Okay, so let's go over what's in my NutriBurst. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. If you're looking for hair, skin, and nails, you have your biotin that is featured. This product is good for men, women, children, elderly. It doesn't matter. This is good for everybody. Okay, this product will be in my home for the rest of my life. I love this product. My mom is diabetic now, so she takes her NutriBurst, and this is what is getting her throughout her day as well. My dad takes NutriBurst. He's had issues with his prostate, so we've been pushing, take your NutriBurst, take your NutriBurst. It takes 30 days to make it a habit. I now cannot go on without my NutriBurst. I have to have my NutriBurst every single day. Okay? Great product to have. If you don't buy anything else, get you the NutriBurst. Okay? It's offered in a value pack of 4, or you can get it as a single. Or it can come as a combo with your tea. So, let's get on to these teas. Yes, teas. Yes, teas. So these bomb teas. Okay, so let's start off with the one I'm trying and loving now. I love the raspberry lemonade. This tea is the newest flavor in the ISO tea repertoire. Okay, I enjoy this flavor. It's really, really good. Nice sweet taste to it. You do not need to add sugar. I sometimes will add agave to my teas, but you do not have to add anything to it. It's a mix and go. So when you take your tea, which it comes in a little sack just like this, you would just put it into your water, 16-ounce bottle. You only need 1. If you're doing a 20-ounce and up, look at how it looks in your water once it's mixed. If you feel you need 1 more, then you will add 2 more, 1 more tea to make 2 in that bottle. Okay, I have heard that some are doing in an 8-ounce bottle, and they're doing 1 sack. I have not done it that way. I only do it within a 16 at a minimum ounce bottle of water. Okay, so I love my tea. You can drink it hot, you can drink it cold. You're still gonna have the wonderful effects if you drink it cold or you drink it hot. Right now I have been drinking my tea hot, and I have been enjoying my tea hot. Kind of nice to end my day or even start my morning with a good hot tea. So let's go over this tea. The difference between this tea and this tea is only one thing: the THC. So for example, the lemon flavor, which is here, it has 0.05 THC. Okay, the raspberry, which is this one, has 0. I know there was a lot of talk when this one came out that for those that were working more astringent jobs, as maybe working for the government or your TSA agents, I know they go through drug screening and health tests. They were worried about, which I can understand, that THC being found on a drug test and keep them from getting a job or losing their job. So what I love about TLC, when we tell them about what we want, they take it into consideration. They make it happen. That's how the raspberry lemonade came into effect. For those customers like me, the THC did not bother me. I had a Quest screening test and had no issues passing the test. And I was taking this tea, no issues, and it was for my job. Had no problem. But for those that were a little bit concerned, the raspberry lemonade is your way to go because it has 0 THC. It's a great flavor. You will get the same benefits from here that you would get from this one. Okay, so that's what the raspberry is for. They took it in mind. They make it happen for us. So everyone's taken care of. Okay, so with the lemon, which is the original one that I started out with, lemon is the one I take the most, but I am going to alternate between lemon and raspberry. All teas, and I mean raspberry, lemon, and regular, all teas help with your skin, as well as regulating or helping cleaning out thoroughly your digestive tract. So if you suffer with constipation like I do, I want to get off Miralax, this tea has been a lifesaver. No more buying Miralax, no more prescription for a stronger Miralax. I take my tea and I'm good to go. Okay, it does help with your anxiety, keeping you calm from the mind down. It also helps clearing up your skin with acne. So again, my top things: regulates my digestive system, keeps me calm, okay, clears up my acne. Oh, and let me drop another one. Helps with a more peaceful sleep, okay? So you know we have to go through our cycles of sleep. A lot of us do not go through the proper cycles of sleep. While we wake up in the morning tired, we dragging because our body did not go through those cycles correctly. So with the tea, I'm able to go through REM sleep. I'm able to get out and come through and have a peaceful, nice rest, because this tea does help promote that. I also make sure if I'm tired before I go to bed, I take me a cup of NutriBurst. And if I'm thinking I'm going to be too wired, I just do a half of cap full. Take it and I'm still able to go to bed, ready to relax and able to go to sleep. So these teas have been wonderful. Last week I lost 3 pounds and a half an inch off my waist. This week I'm looking for the same results. 3 pounds down, half an inch off my waist. My goal is to get back here to a 28. That is my goal. I'm very close to it. Haven't been this close to it in a while. So I'm going to continue on what I'm doing. But these are the great products that TLC offers. They're wonderful. They're wonderful. Hit the link in the description bar. It'll have my link tree where if you would like to order, let me know. It'll take you directly to the website. If you decide, hey, I may not want a bag, no problem. I have bags of these ready to go. Okay, ready to go, so that they can be sent to you. Okay, if you decide you want a kit, no problem. Text me at 352-366-8831. okay, and say kit, and I got you ready. Get on my Instagram page, 88 Orchids Beauty Spa. Head over there. You see the kits. You see pictures of lovely ladies who have had wonderful results. You'll see my pictures as well featured on there, because I do believe in being a product of the product. But I also do believe in showing you my good days as well as my bad days. When I slipped up, while I'm bouncing myself back. Because how I help bounce myself back is through the pictures, so I know where I'm at as of my results. But I just wanted to drop that in, guys. I miss you guys. Thank you so much. If you have any questions or concerns, drop them down in the comment section. I will respond to them. Or you can email me at aaliyahstorm@gmail.com, and I will get back to you as promptly as I can. Thank you guys so much. Have a great Sunday.